Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make this 100% foolproof roasted chicken breasts. We're going to start these in the pan and then we're going to stick them in the oven. These are going to be so juicy and delicious. You'll find all the ingredients throughout the video as well as in the description box. I do have a new website coming very soon, cookingwithtovia.com. It will be up soon. So I have two medium-sized chicken breasts here, and I have them facing with the bottom side up, okay? And we're gonna just season them with lightly, okay? And then I'm gonna season lightly with black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. We got some paprika, and a little bit of salt. I'm not going to use a lot of salt because I'm going to be using salted butter for this recipe. Now if you're going to be using unsalted butter, then of course adjust the salt. So we're going to season one side and then we're going to season the opposite side in the pan. So I'm heating up my cast iron skillet here, and in my cast iron skillet I'm going to add just 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm not going to add any other oils to this. I'm just doing this on medium-high heat. And we're just going to watch it so that way the butter doesn't burn. So what I'm going to do now is place the chicken breast into the pan. My pan, I'm heating it on medium-high heat. I'm using my cast iron skillet. And you want to make sure you use an oven-proof pan for this. So use a cast iron skillet or a nice steel pan. So I place the chicken in, and I'm going to allow the chicken to just cook until it begins to brown a little bit on the bottom. Now, I did turn my temperature down a little bit because the pan is getting really hot. So I'm going to just keep it between like medium low to about medium. And after flipping them, I'm going to let them sit in the pan and just let them go for another 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip them. So it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to flip the chicken back over again. We want to flip them back over to the winter side, but we just want to put that beautiful color on top. So I'm on medium heat now, so we're going to add our final ingredients, which is our herbs. So I have sort of like a piece of sage from my garden. I have a nice couple teaspoons of thyme and also some rosemary. So I'm just going to press it down into the pan. Going to tilt the pan to drench the herbs in the butter. And after drenching the herbs in the butter, just sort of rub your chicken around. Roll your chicken around. Let the herbs really get absorbed into the butter really quick. And what I like to do is just place my chicken on top of the herbs here. And we're going to stick this into a preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven, and we're going to let this bake for like 20 to 25 minutes or until the meat thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So my chicken is done. I'll give you guys a better view. Now I'm just going to take some of this residual fat that's in the bottom of the pan that soaked all those herbs, all that butter. I'm just going to drizzle it on top of the chicken, and then we're going to let the chicken sit and rest for a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and give this chicken a taste and let it rest for about 5 minutes. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that little bell so you'll be notified of my uploads. And I'm going to be trying to post at least once a week now. So let's give this a taste. I made baked potatoes, and I'm going to have served this with also green beans. So I'm going to use a butter knife so you guys can see how tender this is. I'm really not even using any force at all to cut this. And it's very juicy. Look at the inside. Get a better close up so you can see. It's very juicy. It's very tender, easy to cut. Okay, so we'll give it a taste. Wow. It is absolutely out of this world. All of this, you can taste all of those spices, and you definitely taste all those herbs, the rosemary, the thyme, the sage. It really soaked up into the chicken as it baked. Wow, really amazing, very tender. I do want to stress, if you guys are going to be using larger pieces of chicken breast, then it may take 20 to 25 minutes. Just use your meat thermometers. But I promise you, this is going to be the best recipe you ever tried. Please leave a comment down below. Also hit the thumbs up, add this video to your playlist, and share. I appreciate all of you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. And please remember to live and be well, and let's come together and love each other. Thank you so much for watching.